Good.
You?
Doing great. Go ahead with your question.
That's good. I have a question. Just like you rent an apartment and all of a sudden the landlord then, collecting his rent from you and stuff like this.
Mm-hmm.
And all over a sudden a bank manager come out here and say they have foreclosed on the apartment and everything. So I would like to know what could be did by that and stuff like this.
That's a timely question. I'm sure that happens more often than it used to.
It is. It is very timely. Well, one thing is that if you still have a lease and the bank does foreclose on the property that you're living in, the bank can allow you, the new owner can allow you to live out the term of your lease. If your lease has expired or if the person who's purchasing the property is actually going to live in that home, then you have up to 90 days. But they will have to give you notice before asking you to leave.
Thanks for your question. Now, our next caller is Trent from Macon. Hi, Trent.
Yes, ma'am.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Good. Go ahead with your question.
Yes, I have been living in an apartment for about a month. When I moved in, I was told that the toilet had flooded over the apartment. And I was told that they was going to replace the rug and the mat and everything. The floor had lumps in it. They came in, they replaced, I was told that they replaced, because I was at work, that they came in and replaced the carpet, the mat up under the carpet in the living room, but didn't replace new carpet. They didn't replace the carpet at all or the mat in the bedroom, and it'd been emanating a foul odor.
Okay.
And I was told that I was going to get a credit for the living conditions that I had to live in, but then the landlord, she reneged on what she had told me.
Okay.
That's what I was talking about before the break.
Yes. Well, a couple of things. At the beginning of your lease, did you actually do a move-in checklist with your landlord to go over those items?
Mm-hmm. Yes. I went over, but she told me that it had the carpet, the apartment had flooded.
Okay. Was that actually placed on your move-in checklist?
No, ma'am, it wasn't.
It wasn't?
No,
okay. Well, one thing that really can help tenants when they're moving into an apartment where they know there may be some additional problems is to make sure that they put that on their move-in checklist. You want to make sure that you have in writing exactly what it is your landlord tells you that they're going to do to that apartment on your behalf. So that can help you in the beginning, but you may have rights. I mean, if the apartment is uninhabitable, or you believe that there may be some type of damage to the carpet that will hurt you or your family, then you might want to put in writing to that landlord what it is exactly that's wrong. And you may be able to go ahead and I would say put it in writing for sure. And if the landlord does not come in and clean that carpet or remove that carpet, then you may have to go ahead and pay for that repair or pay for that carpet cleaning and see if you can deduct that from your rent. But it's definitely important that you get it in writing to your landlord first and give them time to fix it.
I am so sorry, Renee. We're out of time. We're out of time. Terrific show. I'm going to run Renee's phone number one more time, everybody. She is right here in Macon, and you can reach her at 478. You can put it up on the screen.
That's my phone. There we go.
478-288-5656. And BJ can be reached at 405-0300. Come back, Renee. Terrific show.
Good job, Renee. Appreciate it.
Have a terrific week, everybody.
Opinions expressed on Law Call are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect the opinions of 13 WMAZ staff or management, nor any legal or judicial entity. The legal information supplied in this broadcast is general information only and is not intended to be legal advice for any given situation. Do not rely on broadcast information without consulting an attorney. Contingent attorney's fees refers only to those fees charged by the attorneys for legal services. Such fees are not permitted in all types of cases. Court costs and other additional expenses of legal action usually must be paid by the client.